Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how you can embed a PDF directly into your Webflow website, so let's get started. First, it's important to know that Webflow doesn't host PDF files directly. So you'll need to upload your PDF to an external hosting service like Google Drive, Dropbox, or your own web server. Once you've chosen your hosting option, go ahead and upload your PDF to Google Drive. Right-click the file, select Share, then click Advanced and change the access to Anyone with the link. Save your settings and copy the shareable link. Now, to display your PDF on your site, you'll use the Google Docs viewer. Replace the sample link in the embed code with your PDF's direct URL. In Webflow, open the page where you want your PDF to appear. From the Add Elements panel, drag an embed element onto the canvas. Inside the embed element, paste the following iframe code and replace the URL with your own. Use this code then. Click Save and Close, then preview your site to make sure the PDF displays correctly. You can adjust the height and width of the iframe if needed to better fit your layout. And that's it. You've just embedded a PDF into your Webflow site quickly and easily. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys! Today I'll show you how you can change the scroll bar color in Webflow, so let's get started. If you want to customize the look of your scroll bar in Webflow, you'll need to use a small piece of custom CSS. Webflow doesn't offer a built-in scroll bar styling option, but the good news is that adding your own is super simple. First, open your Webflow project and go to the Page Settings or the Project Settings and Custom Code section, depending on whether you want the scroll bar style on one page or across the entire site. Inside the head code area, paste the following CSS. You can customize the colors however you like. Change background and scroll bar track to update the track color. Change background color and scroll bar thumb to set the thumb color. Adjust width to make the scroll bar thinner or thicker. After adding the custom code, save the changes and publish your site. Once the page refreshes, you'll see your new custom-colored scroll bar applied instantly. This is a great way to match your scroll bar with your website's branding and create a more unique, polished look. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can put a search bar in Webflow, so let's get started. To begin, open your Webflow project and head into the designer. Once you're inside, look at the left side panel and click on the Add Elements icon. From here, scroll down until you find the e-commerce and search section. Inside this section, you'll see the search element. All you need to do is drag the search element and place it anywhere on your page where you want your search bar to appear. Once it's added, you'll see a full search component, including the input field and the search results page. Now click on the search bar to customize it. In the right side panel, you can adjust the styling like changing the background, border, text size, and colors to match your website's design. You can also edit the placeholder text to something simple like "Search here," so visitors know exactly what to do. Next, Webflow automatically generates a search results page, but you can customize this too. Go to your Pages panel and look for the search results template page. Open it and design it however you want by editing the layout, the text, and how results appear. Everything here is fully customizable, just like any other page in Webflow. Once everything looks good, you need to enable search for your site. Go to Project Settings, click on the Search tab, and make sure indexing is enabled. Webflow will scan all your site's content so it can appear in search results. After that, publish your site so the search bar becomes active and starts working for your visitors. And that's it. Your Webflow website now has a fully functional and customizable search bar ready to use. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys! Today I'll show you how you can use a style guide in Webflow, so let's get started. Using a style guide in Webflow is one of the best ways to keep your entire website consistent, clean, and easy to maintain. A style guide acts as your design system, where all your colors, typography, spacing, buttons, and components stay organized in one place. To get started, open your Webflow project and look for a page named Style Guide, Styles, or Utility. Most templates include one. If your project doesn't have it, simply create a new blank page and name it Style Guide. On this page, add your main visual elements: text elements, headings, paragraphs, lists, buttons. color swatches, form components, spacing and layout helpers. Now assign classes to each item. For example, H1 for heading style, paragraph base for your paragraph, button primary for your main CTA, color brand 1 for a brand color. You only design these elements once. After that, whenever you use these classes in your site, the styling will be consistent everywhere. If you ever want to update something like changing your button color or adjusting font size, just edit it here on the style guide page. Webflow will automatically apply those changes across your entire site. This saves tons of time and keeps everything perfectly uniform. A good style guide also helps teams collaborate better, reduces design mistakes, and keeps your project beautifully organized as it grows. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys! In today's video, I'll show you how you can integrate Stripe with Webflow step by step. To do this, we'll use a third-party automation tool like Zapier to bridge the connection between the two platforms. Since Webflow doesn't directly support Stripe's API, Zapier helps automate the process seamlessly. So first log into your Zapier account. You can easily sign up with Google account once you're on the dashboard. Start by creating a new Zap in Zapier that connects Webflow to Stripe. Set your Webflow form submission as the trigger and choose Stripe as the action. For example, you can configure it to create a payment charge whenever someone submits a payment form on your Webflow site. Once everything is set up, test your integration to make sure the payments are being processed correctly. And that if you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can insert a graph in Webflow, so let's get started. To add a graph in Webflow, the first thing you need to do is upload the graph image as an asset. Just open the Assets panel from the left sidebar and drag your graph image into the upload area. Once it uploads, the next step is to set this image as your Open Graph preview. Go to the Pages panel, open the settings for your home page, and scroll down until you find the Open Graph preview section. Here, you can either paste the URL of your graph image or simply select it directly from your uploaded assets. As soon as you choose the image, it will appear as your Open Graph preview, meaning it will show up when your site is shared on platforms like Facebook or LinkedIn. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys! Today I'll show you how you can include radio buttons in Webflow, so let's get started. To begin, open your Webflow project and wait for it to fully load. Once you're inside the designer, look at the left sidebar. That's where all your elements are located. First, click on Add Elements at the top left and search for Forms. Drag a form block onto your page. Next, select the form block and open the Form tab in the Settings panel. Here, you'll add your radio button. Just click Add Element, search for Radio Button, and insert it. Webflow will automatically place the radio button inside the form. Now you can customize it. Change the group name. Set the choice value. And if you need more options, click Show All Settings to adjust everything in detail. And that's it. That's how you easily add radio buttons inside Webflow. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys! Today I'll show you how you can allow the pointer cursor on hover in Webflow, so let's get started. If you want your elements in Webflow to change to a pointer cursor when someone hovers over them, just like buttons or clickable items normally do, it's super easy to set up. First, open your Webflow project and select the element you want to make clickable. This can be a button, text block, link block, image, or anything you want the user to interact with. After selecting the element, go to the Style panel on the right side. Scroll down until you find the cursor section. By default, it's usually set to auto, which doesn't always show the pointer icon. Click on the drop-down and simply change the cursor style to pointer. Now, whenever someone hovers over that element, the standard hand pointer cursor will appear, making it clear that the item is clickable. If you're applying the pointer cursor to multiple elements, you can also add a class and set the cursor style. Once Webflow will automatically apply it to all elements with that class. That's all you need to do to enable the pointer cursor hover effect in Webflow. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can make a multi-language website in Webflow. So let's get started. Creating a multilingual website is a great way to reach a wider audience, and Webflow makes the process pretty simple. First, open your Webflow dashboard and select the project you want to translate. Once you're inside the project, look at the top menu and click on Localization. This is the main area where you'll manage and organize all the languages your site will support. Next, click on Add New Locale. This is where you add an additional language to your site. Webflow provides a long list of supported languages, so just scroll through and choose the one you want to include. When you've selected the language, make sure to click Save so everything is properly added to your project. One important thing to know is that Webflow requires you to upgrade your localization plan if you want to publish your site in multiple languages. Upgrading unlocks the ability to make your multilingual setup live for your visitors. Once that's done, your website will be ready to display content in different languages, helping you reach and connect with a global audience. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how you can add a round image in Webflow, so let's get started. First, open your Webflow designer and go to the section where you want to place your image. From the Add Elements panel, search for the image element and drag it onto your canvas. Now, choose or upload the image you want to use and adjust its size so it fits nicely within your layout. Next, with your image selected, go to the Style panel on the right-hand side. Scroll down to the Borders section and find the Radius option. In the Radius field, type 50% and press Enter. This will instantly make your image perfectly round. And that's it. You've successfully added a round image in Webflow. If you'd like, you can also add a border, shadow, or hover effect to make it look more polished and professional. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can add an icon in Webflow, so let's get started. To add an icon to your Webflow site, start by opening the Webflow website and logging into your account. The easiest way is to sign in with Google so you can access your dashboard quickly. Once you're on your dashboard, choose the project where you want to add the icon and click the three dots next to it. From the menu, select General to open your basic site settings. Scroll down a little until you find the favicon section. This is where you upload the small icon that appears in the Browser tab when someone opens your site. Click the Upload button and choose the icon file you've prepared. It's best to use a PNG or ICO file to make sure it works smoothly across all browsers. After uploading, the icon will be saved automatically. Just remember that favicon updates don't always show instantly because of browser caching. Sometimes it takes a few hours to appear on the live site. If you want to check immediately, open your site in an incognito window or clear your browser cache. And that's all you need to do. Your Webflow site now has a clean, professional-looking icon that helps it stand out in the Browser tab. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can make a multi-radio dropdown in Webflow, so let's get started. To begin, go to the Add Elements panel and search for a form block. Drag the form block onto your canvas. Once the form is added, the next step is to bring in a dropdown element. Search for Dropdown and place it anywhere you like, for example, right below the Submit button. Now open the dropdown structure by expanding the dropdown wrapper and then expand the navigation section. Inside the navigation, delete the default link items, since we don't need them for this setup. After that, add a div block and place it inside the dropdown navigation. This div will hold all of your radio buttons. Now go back to the Add Elements panel and search for Radio button. Drag a radio button into the div block and repeat the process to add as many radio options as you want. For this example, add 3 radio buttons. Once all the radio buttons are inside the div block, go ahead and preview the site. When you click the dropdown, you'll now see all your radio options displayed neatly inside the dropdown menu. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can use the navbar in Webflow, so let's get started. First, open your Webflow project and go to the designer. After that, go to the left side panel and find the navbar element. Now drag and drop it onto your page. Webflow will automatically add a logo placeholder, menu links, and a mobile menu button. Then, select the brand section to replace the default logo with your own logo image. Next, click on the menu links and rename them like Home, About, Services, or Contact. You can link each tab to a different page or to a section on the same page by assigning section IDs in the settings. After that, let's quickly check the mobile view. Switch to tablet or mobile mode at the top and open the hamburger menu. Here you can change text, spacing, and colors so everything looks clean. If you want the navbar to stay at the top while scrolling, just select it, go to the Style panel, change position to sticky, and set it to the top. Finally, press Preview and test everything on desktop and mobile. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys! Today I'll show you how you can publish your Webflow website, so let's get started. Publishing your Webflow site is super simple, and you can do it in just a few clicks. Start by opening your project inside the Webflow Designer. Once everything has loaded, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Publish button. When you click it, Webflow will show you all available domains you can publish to. This usually includes your free Webflow staging domain and any custom domains you've connected. Choose the domain you want to publish your project to, then click Publish to selected domains. Webflow will process everything, and within a few seconds your website will go live. If you're publishing to a custom domain for the first time, make sure your domain settings and DNS are properly connected. Once they're set up, your site will publish smoothly every time. After the publish is complete, Webflow will give you a link so you can instantly open your live website and review your changes. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.